and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys. This is a clean with me, so get up, clean something, or you can just watch me clean and then you clean later. Whatever you want to do works for me. Guys, did you see them moves though? I'm just saying. Your girl got moves. I'm just kidding.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Okay, so today we are going to focus on the upstairs. I'm wiping things down, things that rarely get wiped down, but needed to very badly. And my desk area just got out of control. It's like my area where I just dump everything that I'm like, okay, I really need this. This is important. Let me put it here so I don't lose it. Then it just becomes this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned and we'll move on. Okay, so I got this calendar from Burlington. I think I paid like $10 for it, but it brings a bunch of like things you can hang on it. It came with the markers. On the corner over here, it came with pins that you can like put, school notes or picture day letters or, anything that you kind of need to just remember. Appointment cards, anything like that. But I just put it downstairs in front of our garage so that everyone can see it. It's visible at a glance. You can, we have a game this weekend or you have an appointment this week or whatever. So the whole family can see basically what's going on at a glance. Okay, so I'm trying to make it a point to clean my doors. I know it sounds crazy, but, well, it did to me when my sister first told me you're supposed to do that. I was like, really? But yes, you are supposed to clean your doors because they get dirty. So I'm trying to do it little by little, clean one door at a time. It's a lot of doors in this house, so I'm trying to do my best. But how often do you guys clean your doors? Do you ever clean your doors? Did you know you have to clean your doors? Because I did not. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And I have to do all the downstairs ones, but I'm trying to do one floor at a time because, like I said, it's a lot. Okay, so I moved on to our master bathroom. This bathroom is everyone's. I mean, both my kids use it, my husband and I use it, and it's just, I mean, it's a lot going on. So, but I do use everything on my counters. I would love to not have anything on my counters, but realistically, I need my makeup. I need my nose stuff now. I have medications and stuff that I need to use for my nose, so it's just a lot. So we literally use everything on top of the counter daily, multiple times a day. So it is what it is. I'm wiping down everything. My husband was nice enough to clean our shower. He scrubbed it. He scrubbed our toilets and did all the scrubbing. I'm basically wiping down main things, and I did have to do the shower or the bathtub, but it's fine. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I found these cleaning motivation tips. I'm going to read a couple of them to you guys. One of the first ones is set a timer. Setting a timer for like 15 minutes to say, I'm going to clean my kitchen and I'm going to give myself 15 minutes. It's fun because you kind of are running against the clock and you're just like, okay, let me get this done. And you just get it done. And then when you're done, you're like, wow, I cleaned my whole kitchen in 15 minutes. So that's a good one. Start small is also a good one. I get very overwhelmed when I feel like, okay, I have so much to clean. But when I just start with one thing and move with that, you always start with one little thing and then you're like, okay, I got that done. Let me do the next thing. And then little by little, you end up getting it all done and you don't feel like it's that much. Another one that I like was watch a YouTube video. Duh. That's why I make them. I love these type of videos. I watch cleaning videos all the time. If I know I have to clean that day, I always start my day with watching a good cleaning video. I'll watch a video and then I'll get motivated and then go clean my own stuff and record for you guys. So that's a good one. Another one is turn on a distraction. I love to watch TV while I clean. I'll put my phone up, prop it up, and just while I'm cleaning, I'll watch something. If I'm folding laundry, I'll watch something. But sometimes some people need the distraction off. So if that's also something that you struggle with, if you have something on, you just will watch TV and not do what you're supposed to, then turn it off. Make that a point. Either turn it on or turn it off, whichever works for you. Do something daily. If I have to get all this laundry done, put a little pile aside and clean that or fold that little tiny pile and then say, okay, I'll do the next one tomorrow. And little by little, it'll eventually get done. And another one that I like is reward yourself. I love this one, okay? I reward myself with food. I'm always like, okay, if you clean the whole house within this amount of time, you can have this, I don't know, ice cream or chicken or whatever it is that I want. It's just kind of like, something to look forward to, something exciting. But anyways, I hope that these tips help you guys. They helped me. So yeah. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, have the notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.